Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can send stars in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page of the app where the actual game is played. Here, tap on the albums icon at bottom right corner of your screen and you can see there are stickers present. In order to send them to someone, make sure that the specific sticker has +1 or over it. If there is a sticker with +1, select it and you will be able to send it to your friends. Note that you can only send 5 stickers per day. And that's how you can send stars in Monopoly Go. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.